my name's Lexic Mario, and this is the Lexic Army, and we are going to be playing White Noise today. Say hi, everybody.
No.
I have a little penis.
Wait, I haven't played this shit in forever. Yeah, who this? Ooh, there's new people. Oh, I want this person, because they look black. Alright, let's play. Alright, go ahead, start it. Cloud, that guy actually looks like you. Alright, here we go, everybody. Okay, and I fucking hate this game with a passion. Because he always comes out to me first because I am black. I'm gonna put that out there. It's because I'm black. Ah, man, this game is still... I'm not behind you.
Follow me.
Oh, okay, I'm following you.
I haven't played this map. Where's the green dildo at? I want to find it.
Don't touch it. Yo, who is that in front of us? Is that anonymous?
That's me. Yes, that's me.
Behind everyone. No, chill.
No, you guys, we should totally separate because that's a good idea.
Yeah, first to separate the fag.
Okay, let's do this. It's not going that way, I'm sorry.
Anonymous, I'm not gonna keep following you if you're trying to get me killed.
I'm trying to get ahead of Mario.
No, don't you fucking get ahead of me, you asshole. You want me to die, don't you? Okay.
Yes.
Just let it be known.
I don't know where I'm going.
For he who has slain the chicken nugget will become a waffle. That's his all. Yes.
What if you rape the chicken nugget?
If you touch my nuggets, I'll fuck you up. Wait, can I get over there? We can walk on the air. Look, I'm a wizard. Yes. Aww.
Oh, you're gonna stay there for now.
Don't say that, bro. Oh my god, he's behind you. He's behind you.
No, he's not. He doesn't even spawn until we have the first stage.
You're a first take, genius.
Yes, I am.
I'm pressing A on his face. It's not working.
I know X turns off.
Having my flashlight on. Hey, everyone, turn off your flashlight.
Mine's off right now. I keep turning it
I wish you can blink. That would make this game so intense if you had to blink every like 30 seconds. Just be like...
And then just pop up right
there. Yeah, that would be so much better.
Yo, this map's not actually that dark. I don't need a flashlight.
Yeah,
oh my god, your flashlight light is so little. I can see actually almost everything.
Where's the first gate?
Can you open the door? I want to open the door.
Yo, it's like we're the same height as that door. That's kind of creepy, ain't it? It's like this building was made by midgets. And like this is their midget god, and he's like attacking us because we're not short enough. So does anybody...
It's all on you,
like,
man.
has anybody actually like collected all the tapes? I had some friends that did it.
No.
I died when it happened, but like I didn't see what
We
happened.
almost did it. Me, Chase, and Cloud, and Batman.
Too bad we didn't invite Chase, right?
My butt was scared.
I hear a dildo.
And Cloud.
Oh, he deleted me too?
Yeah, he did. I checked.
Chase deleted me?
No, he
No, he deleted us too. He got mad. Yeah, we were playing Minecraft.
That was all him, really. That was really all him.
I want to make a Minecraft video, but I don't want to make one because I'm fucking...
Dildo. Green dildo to the left. Dildo.
Yeah.
No, I want to look. No, I want to stand behind Mario. Just don't look at his flag.
Stop, man. You know what, guys? This is a transvestite. You don't want these problems, dog. I have big.
You don't know that.
What?
No, not that way.
Wait. Where'd you guys just go? I was like, it's this way, ain't it? Yeah. Have you guys noticed we haven't collected non-objectively shit? Are we avoiding the tape?
I don't know. I'm trying to look for this.
Like,
I wanna
There
get
was some tapes back there. Like, you guys know that, right?
Really?
I can hear, like, this whispering noise. Like, does nobody else not hear that?
Like when? Sounds more like the wind.
Ah! I almost choked to death.
Anyone up for time first? Who's up for time first?
Mario.
Guys,
I like to see him try.
go get that tape, guys.
Scary.
Watch it kill you in like 2 seconds.
I kind of feel like putting my volume on my mic a little lower just so.
I'm really freaked out right now.
Why?
Like, I don't
I'm
feel like
actually
come out.
content right now. This wasn't as scary as I was hoping it was gonna be. But nothing's happening yet either.
Because we haven't found a single
Yeah, we
thing.
kind of suck. Like,
Yeah.
good thing we was never Ghostbusters,
Slender
right?
are scarier than
Who you
this.
gonna call?
We're-
Ghostbusters. Yo, keep your flashlights off.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bob. Yo,
Good,
I like
keep
the
it off,
forest
keep it
one.
off.
I like the
Keep it
original
off.
forest one. That shit was actually kind of creepy. The forest one's good.
I like
Yeah,
the
it
one.
was.
Which one was the one for plane clouds that was really brown? No, it wasn't the forest. It was like a beach.
Yeah, 'cause that's the only one I played with you guys.
It was like a beach. It was actually like.
Oh, the first one
Oh,
they,
we're on the
the
beach
first
on that.
new one they uploaded. It was like fucking. Yo, I got stuck in this door a long time ago.
Like a coastline, right? Like a coastline.
Yeah, and there was like a
Is
cave.
it like a yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah,
This-
yeah.
this is on Nightmare, right?
We do. Yeah, this
Yo,
is
come in here so I can grab this.
It's not even that hard. Not even that hard. Nightmare's not that hard. Hey, there's
Alright, everybody has turtle beaches. Just listen.
No, I don't. I don't have to.
I don't.
What?
I don't have turtle beaches. I have
I
shark
don't know. I
fins,
never bought
but
it.
I don't have it connected in because the color on my TV when I hook it up to the components, it's just
Do you have HD TV, homie?
yeah.
You sure? I got 2 of them. I got one for my Xbox and 2 for my computer. So matter of fact, it's 3. The math on that was actually pretty negative, so.
Yo, I love how you can have the game pause menu while you're still moving on. That's really cool.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, I just fucked up. I almost left the game. Hey, I bet you $5 you won't go down on the train tracks, no balls.
No balls. I can't. I can't. I can't. I really can't. You really can't. You really can actually. I'm not gonna lie.
Everyone else is here.
I came to suck your butt.
I'm just stealing Mario's freaking
Wait.
shoes, so
What? I don't want to be allowed.
I'm turning off my flash. So it's not that dark.
Yo, like, we're
You guys
gonna have
all
to
fly.
cut, like, whoa. Fuck you, homie. Fuck you. Like, we're gonna have to cut, like, the first 10 minutes of this video out. Because, like, not shit happened.
Watch it get intense when we get the first one. Like, I bet Mario and I are gonna
Is
die.
Wait,
that
shh.
audio?
Yo, there's a tape in here.
You guys see this?
First tape. Here it goes.
Oh, Mario, don't
Oh god. Oh
Now
god.
shit gets real,
about
right?
to get intense.
Nah, it's just not good. First tape is
My
like.
flashlight's off. I don't even care because I can still see it.
As long as it took us to find the first tape, I highly doubt we'll find the fucking second. I swear, I hear whispering.
I do too. Barely, but I do too.
Yeah, it's
But
kind of.
very small.
It's like they're
Yeah,
warning us.
that's banana.
It's like they're warning us. They're saying like, Cloud is gay. Cloud is gay. Beware. Cloud will touch your butts.
Oh, 30 tempting. Hey, turn the flash on and look at Mario's butt.
I know, I see that.
It jiggles.
It looks really
Like,
good.
fuck you.
It's okay. Mario loves that.
I kind of want to die way just so I can you guys are able to. That's what we did. That's how we were able to.
Yeah, I died first and I skipped guiding you guys, but I led you to the build.
Yeah, exactly. That's actually the best way to do it. Like, especially at multiple people.
I have a feeling it's down here. I really do. There's one down here.
What, the guy?
Nah.
Let's do that.
Yo, my controller just fucking vibrated. Oh god!
Stop running, you freak.
Is he right behind us?
I don't know.
Look! Stop, look!
Oh, holy crap! It's
Yeah! I heard him breathing and my controller vibrated. That scared the shit out of me. Yo, on 3.
Hey,
Wait,
Mario, I dare you to
on
turn
3,
around.
everybody turn around. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. He's not there. What?
Oh, okay. Well, just turn around again.
We turned so fucking slow. Like, it would suck to be this slow in real life. Like, it would be so fun. With something strange in the neighborhood. Who's gonna rain? Your neighbors!
That sounds
My
like it.
cousin gamer tag is your neighbor.
Yeah, I know.
Oh god, he's down that hallway and he's just like, and you guys are just not even paying attention, you know? Okay?
You guys follow
Hey,
it?
hey, Mario, turn
Fuck
around.
it.
Turn around,
Dick,
Mario.
I'm not turning around.
Oh, he's right behind us. Holy crap, he's right behind us. Okay, I don't
I
want
don't like looking back, guys. I like to keep things in the past. Anyone else agree?
Does anyone else agree my flashlight is dying and I had it on less time than all you guys put together?
No, my fast has been on for a while.
I wish your roof was even. Is that a tape?
Yeah, these people can taste. Mario, turn around. Dude.
Oh, I fucking hate you.
I'll do it! I'll do it! I'll do it!
Almost.
He's not there. He's not there. It's the
Almost.
360 no ball. Where are we going? This way.
Oh fuck, my controller just fucking vibrated. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. I don't get paid enough for this shit.
I get scared.
Suck my dick.
I get scared when Mario's just.
Fuck you, bitch. Oh god. My controller fucking vibrated. If I die first, I swear to god. I'm gonna rage so hard. Like, oh my god. Like, oh shit. Fat ass. You trying to block me in the door. Stop looking. Yo, he's behind us.
He's not behind us. I look back, he's not there.
Oh shit!
Oh god, I'm running.
Oh god. Move
I
everywhere.
lost you guys. No, I lost you guys.
You're good. You're dead now.
Look, oh,
no.
no, it was nice having you on Lexic. This is your dismemberment. I do apologize. Yo, I hear a tape. I hear
Who
a
died?
tape
It's
to
all
the
you.
right.
I just noticed something, guys. We're all the 3 most hated Mexicans.
Wait, Cloud's Asian?
No,
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
I'm dead.
Nice knowing you,
I'm
right?
dead. I'm dead.
Yeah, Cloud's Asian.
Oh, he got me. Holy crap. Holy crap.
Ah, and we only got 1 safe, guys. Nice job. We're the greatest.
Where are you?
Oh, that motherfucker wanted mine. What the fuck?
That was gonna help.
Okay. Now, did you see that racist ass shit? How you teleport? You fucking bitch.
I'm lost. I have no idea where everything is.
I just think so. Not right here? No, he's not. Round 4. I hate when he's round 4. Here's the crap. We're good.
Don't pre-screen, you dick.
There's one at the train area.
We're walking in circles and I don't know where to go.
Yo, is that shit in the air? That's legit.
Yeah. That's a big deal. What's the delta?
This is pretty freaky. Like, right when you're alone, it says it's dangerous to go alone.
Yeah, I know. And you die.
See,
Yeah,
I hate that they added that on in the update. When people was separating and gathering all the tapes, it was easier that way. Now they added this fucking bullshit.
Yeah.
And I hate that, like, they need to add it if, like, you see it and you turn your flashlight off, it'll go away after a while. He just stands there. He's so creepy. Now, if he walks around, that'll be even more creepy. If he walks. This game's just so bad.
There's a tape
Where are you guys?
We're in the UF4. There's a tape
Yo!
I just passed the streets.
Austin flipped off. Oh, he's in here. He's in here. Where are you?
Don't go back.
Yo, this sensitivity is like on 1.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Yep, and you're gonna make all your little creepy ass noises, and I'm listening, bitch.
Ah, Jesus, when are we gonna find a guy?
Oh my god! He was in that fucking door! Oh man! Where are
I
you?
heard you scream, bro. It's all good. Come back.
Guys, if you can't, try to head to the train area.
Oh god. I don't like this no more.
Or head to the rocket.
Yo, there you are! Stop! Oh god! Reunited and it feels so good. Fucking asshole.
We're gonna get
You
lost.
guys left me.
I didn't know.
Well,
I thought you were gonna keep falling.
I turned because I heard something
You
and
flashed it.
it was like, she was like, hey little girl. Like,
Hey guys, go to the rocket area.
Oh, he's close by.
I really hate this idea, guys.
Yeah, let's play like
Whose
Murder
idea was
Miners
this?
or something. Like, let's play something a little more friendly. Who all has Murder Miners? I'm so down to play that right now.
I want to play a game that we will all get our butts scared. I really
This is
want to get
fun.
really scared.
Here's the board, bro. Here's the
Yo, we can all play it. As long as we're not playing one.
What's a game that we can play more than... I don't have to.
What? You only got one? One is so gay, like you can't even do half the shit that I know. Like, fuck.
Oh, I got
I wish it had the second one. The second one's my favorite.
I haven't played Judgment.
Wait, are you around here, Cloud?
Where are you guys?
Judgment's gay. I hate Judgment. Because does even do you guys?
Yeah, it's not about us. Wait, are you by me?
Where are you guys?
We just passed the rocket area.
Oh crap, are you guys near the train?
As far as I know.
Well,
Go for the train.
Where the heck is that?
It's right next to the rocket area.
I don't like this area. I don't like this area, but I don't want to turn back either. I really don't. Get out of here. I don't like this area.
I'm scared and I'm dead.
yo. Like, if you see what I'm seeing right now, I am on Anonymous's ass like so hard. Like no homo, like pause all you want, but like I am on your cheeks like no other.
yes,
Like
I
I'm a
guess.
mole on your butt.
There's his body. I see your body.
Yeah, what was he? He's trying to suck your own dick. You got caught. Weirdo.
gonna get like this. This is probably my saddest game.
I'm pretty garbage right now. Pretty garbage.
Observe. We're all garbage.
Hey,
God. The only one that
let's play the first one.
No, the original doesn't have a. No,
Oh, let's play the one that we were playing with you, me, Jason.
Oh yeah, that was. I wanna say, hey, everyone, I wanna replay it. Please, I love it.
Yeah, cause you just go in circles the whole time.
I know. Watch,
Remember the
I
last time
can't
we
do
just
this.
around the whole map?
This thing, Mario, we've gone through this like 5
I'm like
times.
so right
We've been on that 5 times already.
Where are you guys? Connected to anonymous live. Like you can find me there. Like I swear you can't hear all these growls and shit that I'm hearing, and feel all this vibration that I'm feeling.
I can hear him, bro. I can hear him. I can hear him. My game is actually.
My controller is vibrating a lot.
I'm not.
Oh, why would you go in the jail
I'm not
cell
liking this
area?
at all.
You're a douche.
This looks interesting.
Oh, there's the
Fuck
table.
you and
Yeah.
that table. I'm just walking straight.
Put this game in there. I don't like this anymore. I don't like this anymore. He's probably behind us and I'm really good. There's a table.
I remember the first woods I tried to camp in the building. The building with my friends. We tried to stay in there and he started grabbing us through the walls and shit.
Oh, are you guys at the jail again?
Well, you
Oh, I see
move
guys, I see
faster
guys.
than all of us.
Chill,
Fuck
chill.
off, guy.
Head back, head back, head back. Hold on, I'm right behind you. You guys move past that corner. Hey.
I see you. Yeah.
Okay.
United. What's up?
With the dead guy. Lead us, bro. I'm gonna turn off my light and I'm just gonna follow you. That's all I'm gonna do. Just follow the blue guy. Just follow the blue guy.
No, you bitch,
Wait,
we're
I'll
following
already-
you.
Right.
Oh.
You know what? I hope that he revived you and killed you again. Please. Like they turn into like a sexual.
I'll be close.
Cloud.
There's one in here.
Oh fuck, he's up there.
He's not across that door. Don't go over there. Don't
Cloud,
go over there.
you are the dumbest person ever to fall. I veto you ever leading again. He's over there. He's over that way. Yeah, I see him. Why you keep turning around? Oh my god, he's everywhere.
Why am I
Cloud,
going?
don't go that way. Stop going
No, don't go that way.
I'll kick your ass. I hate you, Cloud.
And I'm dead.
Cloud, go somewhere, ugly
damn it.
bitch.
Oh my God.
I fucking hate you, Cloud. Well, I'm deleting. Oh, he's right behind me. Yo, I swear to God, like, I'm deleting you, Cloud, after this game. We are no longer friends. I officially vote Cloud is mentally retarded and that he should be in a mentally retarded Xbox Live team. Like, nah, Hayes is too smart for that team. You're the only one on that team. You stupid ass. I hate you so much. Why do I have to be the only one alive? Get in front.
Follow me.
Alright, he's over there.
I
Don't
want
go
to be
that way.
behind Mario.
Okay, alright, he's over there. Bro, he's over there.
Watch it.
Wait, he's down. Okay, tell me where he's at and I'll just turn him.
Wow,
Mario,
and you're
you're
behind
behind
him. Let's see.
Why are you playing this game and doing
I have blown! game already. Mr. Booger, can you come get me? I need to poop. All in your mouth. Oh my god. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Whoa.
Wow.
Thanks everybody for watching. This is Lexic. We played for 26 minutes. Not bad for not finding shit. Cloud is the fruit who died first. Mario is the one who's his steeds. And I am the best. Cloud didn't capture anything because he's low. Look at them walks, dog. I walked the most. Yo, he was raping me, yo. He was raping me. I want to get the replay in here, then we're going to end it. We're going to end the video, and we're going to play something else. Thanks, everybody, for watching. I'm Lexic Mario, and this was Lexic Plays, episode 1. Everybody say goodbye. Yeah, he's Asian. Yo, was we, like, trying to make something? Looks like we was on an Etcher sketch. Look at this shit. It's like... What the fuck? Oh, we found something there. Oh my god, this is 26 minutes of walking around. Oh my god. Like, you're just gonna see, like... Yeah, I'm watching it.
I'm watching it.
You guys got Castle Miner. Castle Miner's easy game. I'm sorry, it's like really game. We can play Minecraft or something after this. Nah, Minecraft's gay. I was trying to think. Like, this is bullshit. Like, if you just look at all the exclamation points I gotten, it's bullshit. Like, it's just crazy. Like, alright, you guys. That was fun. Game was the farthest thing from scary I ever played. Thanks for watching.